Hello, welcome back to the Train on the Railroad. We've got 3044. I put a light in. I linked it from my Riverosi 462 Heavy Pacific that has some issues. The wheels are broken and the axle's dragging. I've just got that going around. I've got my 4 hopper cars that I have enough wheels for, or I have wheels for in general, filled up with some sand. It's sifted from the local area, like really local, like right over there in the corner. There's a lot of sand there. I also got a bunch more ballast glued down. All this stuff up to here is glued down. I'm not going to glue it down around the switch because I hope to switch out these switches for better ones. Let's see if we can get to 15 subscribers by next week. Maybe I'll do a live stream or something. I don't know. Let me know what y'all want. Like, if I don't know what all my viewers want, I'm just gonna keep uploading what I want to upload. And then, you're just gonna have to deal with that. So, if there's specific content that you guys all want, let me know. Okay, that track is clear, so we can do this number. Hey, GP20 is running real nice. Oh, whoops. I noticed earlier today that someone subscribed. Thank you. Next up, I'm going to clean on video because I have neglected to do as such. Oh, cool, it's not dragging there today. Not this bottle's getting empty. I'll have to open up the other one soon. Rubbing alcohol, okay. Isopropyl, not anything illegal. This bottle's actually almost a year old, probably. Oh boy. Gotta keep switches clean. There are problem points with this locomotive. Because, where the gears are, hangs out down underneath the, I'm pretty sure it hangs me, and now there's something stuck under it. I don't think I'm going to glue down much more ballast because there's a lot of spots. I might do that end, but I'm not going to do the other half of the layout because I plan on doing a lot of work on that end. I might upload a trains with a Z video. I probably need to do more, give you guys some more Minecraft. I'm not sure if any of those people like you guys in Minecraft are subbed. Alright. Okay, apparently controllers decided we've had enough of this locomotive. That's how this works. I don't dictate when we are done with GP20. The controller does because it's old and I hope to get a new one. I'm thinking I'd go DCC with a better system than the Bachman one. Maybe might be a little bit more expensive, but be all good. Because I'll appreciate having the ability to do long addresses. We'll unplug, and then I guess we could do some running on the old layout. And I guess that sounds fun. It's been a while since I've gone over there. Let's get a trim together. This car, this one too. Tank? Yeah, I think all the tank cars are over there. Sounds fun. Got a loco over there, but I think I'm gonna take the Aspen Blue Box. I think it's comparatively to a lot of my other locomotives, I don't care about the noise. Add sound to a loud locomotive and crank it up. Problem solved. It's not a loud locomotive anymore. That is legit turning up the radio when you hear funny noise in your car. Turn the radio up so you can't hear it. That's weird. That's what's the light? Handrails moved. I'll cinch them down again. I don't know about. I think. Yeah, I don't know what. I don't know. That's cool background audio. Fun. Random background noise. Version 3. I think this is episode 7 of Running Model Trains. I don't personally have any N scale. Or O scale. My dog's being stupid. That's the answer here. Dog's being stupid. That's what all the background noise is about. Let's go. We're going over here now. Oh, I discovered a fun thing. If I grab the camera by the top, we get a lot more stable camera action. Throw the tankers on there. I mean, yeah, now I'm struggling with my horn hook life. To be completely honest, I hope to buy like 50 or 60 Katy couplers and coupler boxes. And a poop ton of metal wheel sets. Like, all the metal wheel sets I can get. Cause, this is doo-doo. I have certain cars that just can't go next to each other. And other ones that only go next to certain cars. And it's just annoying. At least. And then there's one. Oh, the trade went over a bump. Okay, it's shorter now. And of course, that's gonna happen the moment I'm not paying attention, so. I know about it when I hear crash from the other side of the room. Because my trans ran into itself. I just broke something. That's backwards. What did I just break? Okay, unimportant. Yeah, unimportant. There's a lot of sand right there over on the other end. There's a truck. It's a freight car truck. Let's go right here. This looks like a good spot. Oh, I moved to that tree apparently. Now, this locomotive can drive over a piece of cardstock. I don't know how that tree just stopped it dead. I really don't know. Also, has really great traction. Now I'm looking through it. Oh man, this truck's broken! That one is broken too. Well, actually, you know what? There's a complete truck right here. I just gotta cut the snap bits off of the one and put them on the other. Voila, it's a whole truck. Perfect. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm... Let's throttle her up a bit. I got Train Simulator the other day. Paid $2 for it. It's kind of outdated, but I mean, it's still pretty good. Struggling to figure out things like session creation and whatnot, and yeah, modify a route and that, and might share it with the world or something. I just don't know at this point in time. And I'd love to give y'all a repair video, but I don't have anything to repair. Here, this is a coupler. Where do I get the coupler out of the coupler box? I don't know. It's just there forever, I guess. Oh, I figured it out. What the heck is this thing? Okay, that's going back in there. That's going back in there. This is a weird coupler. It's going back in the box. I'm surprised I did not lose the string. It's just gonna go up. Well, we're just gonna set that on the table and leave the pieces for it. How's that sound? Sounds good. Cool. We got BO50. Switch out the. Oh, whoopsie! I possibly but I can definitely do it very well. I have an enemy spot. I like this boost today. Piles of logs. That one goes there. That one goes there. There we go. Now we plug this before we go. I wasn't doing that. No, I was looking for what after. Driving fast as this. Go around slowly. Hey, little one thing. Oh, it's not scraping as much now. Still scraping the thing. I've been saying things louder, and right now I have this hat has headphones in it and a microphone. And the microphone is actually pretty good. You can probably hear that train over there, clickety clacking away, and being an Athens blue box. It came in a box that is blue, and it's an Athens. Therefore, it's an Athens blue box. It is a special edition, but it's exactly the same as the Athens blue box, just with a dummy locomotive and a fancy paint scheme. Okay, that's on the track. That's like that, because that's probably what caused the last issue. And that'll clear. I'm gonna clean. You might not be able to see that one, but it's done. You can hear it. That off here. Hippity hoppity doo. I have an issue with leaving all my tools laying all over the place. I call it chronic I leave my tools all over the place syndrome. And parts, too. There's a light bulb in there. I probably shouldn't throw things that are moderately heavy at it. I have a spare motor mount pad for an Aspen. An older one at that. Even though I can buy them for little to nothing. Now here's the lid out of one of those hopper cars. I took it out because there was going to be a problem. Because the same don't get back there behind it and... Ugh. Tools over here so I can find them. Oh, that can go there. Looks great. Those are parts to that locomotive, so I'm going to leave them there. That can stay. Sweep things up a bit. Figure out how much ballast I didn't glue down. A bunch of tools where I normally set the camera. That's garbage. 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 That's a pencil. That's a massive derailment. Y'all just watched me do that, didn't you? Let me hope. We are going to use these little things. My technique for ballasting is put sand on thing. Make sand look like ballast, glue it down. I mean, it looks like ballast in that it fulfills the job of filling in the gaps between the ties so that they don't look like doo-doo. That was really sluggish right there. Conjure me the cleansing solution. I just buggered the paint on this. I like that one. It's new and fancy. There's details, and I don't want to fudge them up. Yummy cleaning syrup. Whoopsie, got it on the table. That's not good. Look at that. That's what was there. Look at that. That's just normal dirt. It's just what comes off when you use your rails and you have a lot of plastic wheels. Gotta get them switched down. Because I can switch out